Windshield replaced.
Alright, hey guys, what's up? Live here at Toyota Calamba. And of course, wow, windshield finally replaced. And ang ganda ng walang tint. Pero yan guys, finally, it's done. And it's going to the next floor. So dun kasi yung tint nila. I mean, yeah, doon i-installa ng tint, body repair yung sa floor na to. So yan, it's going up and I'll just have to wait. So, okay, andito ako sa insurance section and yan, kay Miss Faye. And once again, we're processing everything, yung documents and what I need to pay. Of course, I need to pay the tint. Hindi kasama yung tint sa insurance. So, ayan, vehicle tint, of course. So, to give you an idea, front windshield, OEM, 20 na shade. So, ayan, it's about 2,000 plus pesos yung na-deal ko dito. And, ayan, so, OEM lang kinuha ko kasi yung the next one, the signature is yung nagbi-mirror and the rest are not available. Alright, guys, so finally, windshield is back, fresh. So, once again, shout out. Thank you, insurance. Thank you, Toyota. So, ito, tinint na din to, guys. V-Cool. Yung ating dashcam, di mo na kinabit kasi nga kakabit ng tint. So, yung mga wires, siningit ko lang. Pero yeah, it's all replaced and
the next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So, our windshield is back. For 3 weeks, wala muna tayong gagawin dito kasi kakapalit lang, kakalagay lang ng tint and it's about testing the waters. So, yun, hindi. Yun nga. So, may 6 months warranty yung windshield natin sa Toyota. So, if there's any leak ng tubig and then if there's any noise, so, syempre, baka hindi maayos yung pagkakabit. If may nasipod na mga ganun. So, ayan. Yan yung mga cases na yan. Basta 6 months warranty siya. And of course, pag nag-crack, papaltan ulit, di ba? Yun. Pero, yun, thank God, everything is alright. So, nangyari November 16 and what's the day today? December 12 ngayon, guys. So, check it out sa mga Shopee, Lazada. Anyway, so yun. Overall, super good kasi nga, imagine, less than a month na process natin lahat saka dumating yung part. So, thankfully, available sa planta yung windshield. Okay? And as my previous vlog, nabanggit ko nga lang, yun nga lang naging issue dahil sa labas ay kumuha kaya medyo matagal. Alright, chapter closed for this windshield. Once again, maraming salamat guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!